Hey friends, welcome to another product unboxing. Today I'm checking out the OIVO charging dock. This is for Xbox One. You can do the S1 Elite Control core controllers. This is just a battery you put in there that and you can just set them on here and just charge it, so you don't have to keep using disposable batteries. So this is pretty cool. Play your Xbox, and then when you're done, just throw this on a charger. You can get these in black or white. And I am gonna need, wait, I was gonna say I might need some scissors for this one. Of course the tape's gonna rip, right? Alrighty, so here we go. In the box we have a USB to like micro USB charger. Here is the stand right there. Battery cover and another one. And battery. Okay, and some instructions. All right, so what did we get in all these? We have this cover that you can put on there to make sure that your controller can charge, and then the batteries themselves. These are 300 megaamp hours, so it's pretty sweet. Okay, this comes with four. This came with four of the covers here, and then two of the batteries. So there's that. Let's go. Let's get my paddles here and let's hook those together up, shall we? Well, here we go. I got my controller here, pretty green color, and we put the battery pack in right here. Okay, so it has a slot. This side has a little notch right there, and that notch is going to go in between those parts there, and then have your metal parts facing outward. So this part goes in first here, the little prongs that way, and then this one slides down and that just locks into place. And then we get our Xbox One controller. We get my Series X. Gotta know my controllers here. And then that just slips into place just like that. Okay. So let's do the other one too, since we got a couple paddles here. Out with the old guys and in with the new. Here we go. Put that part in first. That slides down nicely just like that. And then the X series controller snaps into place. Okay, I'm actually just going to charge this, or put this on my charging station right here. I'll just plug in the USB that it has. And then plug in the micro USB right there. Okay. Ah, cool. Lights up with a nice little Xbox thing. Here we have this logo on the front, one or two paddles. And then these go down on there just like that, face forward. And it tells you, I believe, okay. So they show up red on there, and then when they are charged, that comes in as green. So it doesn't really take up a lot of desk space also, which is kind of nice. right, you got a couple paddles that are stacked on there. Actually, probably takes up less room than if you had a couple paddles on there, because you can't really stack up the paddles like this. So it's like kind of space saving. It looks cool with the nice green LED around the outside. The indicators on the front tell you when your paddle's charged. Definitely save you some time. And you know, if you guys play Xbox a lot, you can go through these like really fast. So it's nice to have these. You game for a couple hours or whatever, throw them back on the charger, and then you're ready to go as soon as you want to play again. So you don't have to worry about your batteries dying or changing out batteries all the time and buying expensive batteries. So cool. Thanks for watching this review, guys. You guys have a wonderful day out there, and I'll see y'all next time.